Hi, welcome to Postbox channel. Back to the tutorial for computer networks. Today we are going to continue this topic called UDP applications. In the previous session I explained about what is UDP, packet, header, and so on. Today we are going to continue the advantages of UDP protocol, as you can say applications of UDP protocol comparing with TCP protocol. Let's see the session today. There will be few points here. Very simple and easy. UDP application. So UDP, whenever say UDP means what? It's a connectionless oriented protocol. So you can say the first important point here is query response protocol. That means what? One request, one reply, or we can say domain name service done by this and DHCP. Let's say query response protocol. What you can say? I can use the pen also. So here query response protocol. One request, one reply means when I suppose I have MAC address, I'm asking what is my IP address. So whenever request and ask, it will reply given by the protocol easily. That is called query response protocol. So whenever go for UDP applications, it will done with the help of domain service as well as the DHCP also. Next very important part is speed. Speed means what? So whenever want to data transfer and whenever access data, it should be very speed. Let's say example, you can say real-time example like online games and also voice over IP. So online games today more people can share the data and play in at a time. Simultaneously can play. That is possible. Speed is important. It's done by help of UDP here. There is no delay much delay from the UDP. Then one more next important part is broadcasting and multicasting. Let's say example here RIP, route information protocol. So here I am the sender. I can send a group of people. So I can have message means I can send it a group of people, maybe 1,000 or 2,000 clients I can send at a time. That is called multicasting. It is possible. Broadcast also possible. So not only in group, some other group is a group 1, group 2 is there. Maybe 1,000 clients, 2,000 clients, another group having 4,000 clients. I can send the data very easily and fast. That is possible with the help of UDP applications. Moreover, you can say these are comes with a less overhead. So less overhead means what? The data will come with a header always. Then it's also supporting the continuous streaming. Let's say example of real-time example Skype and YouTube, because in YouTube today you have a YouTube where option of HD high definition and also you can say live videos and so on, everything possible. That is come with the help of continuous streaming. There is no much congestion here. And if you go TCP, what will happen? About TCP, what happen? When you go for multicasting, there will be a connection establishment. We have to make a connection establishment, then we can start the data transfer. Here, not like that. Whenever you want, we can do the data transfer fast. And streaming, when you want to continuous streaming, it's for highly easy and possible here. And one point, stateless. What is stateless here? Stateful means whenever the protocol stateful, we have to save the data. We have to save the state of the data, but stateless means not possible. Let's take example HTTP. So when I come to application layer according to UDP, these are UDP application. UDP are supported by UDP are supported and they come under the category of stateless. So where you want, we can implement successfully the UDP transfer. So if you have any queries or questions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, please check it, and whenever doubt, you can check the sequence of the videos.